everyone, welcome back to another meal prepping, family meal prep day at our house. So today we're doing lots of things, lots and lots of things. I have a list. Let me tell you what my list involves. I am making for lunch this week for me and my husband and the boys. We're gonna have some fried rice. So we're gonna put some veggies, some egg, chicken, obviously rice. And then for breakfast, my husband is gonna have egg cups. I'm gonna put eggs, spinach, mushrooms, you know, all that stuff. Me and the boys are gonna have oatmeal and probably smoothies throughout the week. I also want to make Powerballs for snacking. I realize I don't have that many snacks, and because we're on a real tight budget this month, I can't just go to the store and buy more snacks. So I was going on Pinterest yesterday, figuring out, okay, what do I have in my house that I can make a quick snack for? And I found a recipe for Powerballs, which are just like these little balls. I've never had them before, but they look pretty yummy. They're basically just these little balls. This one has oatmeal, peanut butter, and something else. I can't remember what the other thing is. But anyways, you just make them into little balls and refrigerate them. You don't have to bake them, cook them, nothing like that. It's already all cooked. So I'm hoping that's gonna be good. And then I'm like cutting up some fruits, some vegetables, defrosting some things, getting Michael's lunch ready for tomorrow. Michael, my son, because he goes to preschool tomorrow. Today's Monday, Martin Luther King Day, so happy Martin Luther King Day. Also, like I said, chopping some vegetables and some fruit, and that's pretty much it, but it's a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Adam is almost getting ready for his nap, so I'm gonna start chopping up some vegetables right now for the egg cups. I'm gonna put that in the oven, and while that's in the oven, I'm gonna take him down for a nap, and then we're gonna work on some other stuff. So put some mushroom and some spinach inside the little cups. I'm gonna put probably less than a quarter cup of egg mixture into here, just because the egg will expand and I don't want them to like flood out. So I'm probably just gonna put a little bit, and then I'm gonna mix them all around so that they get all nice and mixed. And then on top of that, I'm gonna put some shredded cheddar cheese. Alright, so my egg cups are ready. I'm just gonna throw them in a preheated 400-degree oven. I'm thinking probably anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes. I'll probably check them after 15 and then just keep an eye on them. But yeah, they all fit. That's why I put so much milk, because I wanted to make 24. But yeah, we were able to make all of them. So I'm gonna throw them in the oven and then get started with something else. So I'm going to get started on the fried rice. I made a ton of white rice yesterday, so I'm going to use most of this, probably not all of it. I have some frozen mixed veggies that I heated up in the microwave, and they've been just drying for a while. Sesame oil, soy sauce, ginger. I have 2 eggs. That's all I have, so I'm hoping that's going to work. Some garlic, salt and pepper, and then some rotisserie chicken. This was previously frozen, so it's just defrosted right now. So I'm going to add all of this into my fried rice. Look at these guys are out here enjoying the day. They look so cute just sitting there. Look at them. I love them so much. And they don't even know I'm watching them. They have no idea. Let me knock on the window. He can't see me. So here is the fried rice. It looks real yummy, and it smells really good. So on mine, I did fried rice, and then I sauteed some mushrooms and spinach just because I only had a little bit, and I prefer this over my husband. So my husband will just have some fried rice, probably put some soy sauce, some sriracha on it, something like that. And then I did all the little egg cups, and these smell so good. They did get a little burnt, but that's okay. So they were at 400 degrees, and I put them in there for probably about 30 minutes or so. They probably could have gone less as they get really crispy at the top, but I think they're gonna look so good.
I want to eat.
You want to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. And then we still have a little bit more fried rice here for the boys. And then I have my oatmeal. Now I'm going to be working on cutting up the veggies. I'm going to do some chayote, which I did a couple of weeks ago. It's just basically squash. I'm going to throw it in a pot, let it boil, and then these are going to be awesome snacks during the week. I'm also going to chop up some carrots, and these will be great snacks with some hummus during the week. And then when my husband comes inside, I'm gonna ask him to bring my mixer down so I can work on the Powerballs. Just because the mixer is really heavy and I have it all the way at the top because I don't use it all the time. Anyways, long explanation. You don't need to hear all that. But yes, once it's brought down, I'm gonna make the Powerballs, and I'm just gonna do a couple more things and then we're gonna be all set. I'm so excited. We're getting a lot of things done. Adam is still sleeping, which I'm so surprised. I probably just jinxed it, knock on wood. Michael isn't here with me. My husband's outside talking to our neighbor. And yeah, it's a good Monday. We're getting things done. Normally I would do this on a Sunday, but because it's a holiday, it's a Monday. But anyways, we're getting things done and I'm really, really happy for that. I'm gonna get started on the Powerball. So you will need oatmeal, peanut butter, salt, vanilla, honey, and then it asks for chocolate chips. So I'm gonna do chocolate chips and peanut butter chips as well. So I'm sure that's gonna taste amazing. Here's Bro eating some peanut butter spoon. Show that. Let me see your peanut butter spoon. Oh my goodness, you ate all of it. Good job. So Michael got the mixer down. I'm mixing everything, so I'm just supposed to let it get it nice and smooth, which it looks like it's getting there. Sir? Sir? Done. The recipe says that one batch is about 12 balls. I made 2 batches, so I'm hoping it's gonna be about 24 balls. So I'm gonna make 24 balls. I'm gonna put them on this sheet. It's just a cookie sheet with parchment paper, and then I'm gonna throw it into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let the balls get really hard. This all sounds really dirty. And then they're gonna be good to go. Alright, so I finished the Powerballs. I made about 20.
Why are they done?
Why are you crying?
Why are they done, Mommy?
You don't need to cry because I finished. Alright, so I got about 28 balls going here. It was only supposed to make 24, but as you can tell, some of them are really small and some of them are like monster big. So yeah, so I got about 28 balls, which I'm so happy about. So now I'm gonna throw it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, let them get really hard, and then I wanna give some a try. Okay, I think we're pretty much done for today. So let's go ahead and just recap on everything that I made. So I made the fried rice. And then on mine, I added some sauteed mushrooms and spinach. I chopped up some carrots to have as snacks with hummus. Also some chayote because cold chayote is so good. Also, these egg cups will be Michael's breakfast. He'll probably have 2, and then I'll have some for breakfast as well. I mean, for a snack, sorry. And then this oatmeal is for me for breakfast and probably for the boys as well. I have a little bit of leftover rice, which will be good for the boys. And then these Powerballs right here are so good, guys. Like, you guys need to try these. They are amazing. Michael already told me that they're not lasting for more than a couple of days. So I am so excited for these. Okay, so that's all we did today. I feel like we did a lot and it didn't take as long as other days because we just finished lunch and I'm already all done. So that's exciting. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it gives you some motivation and inspiration to get some meal prep done in your house, to get things done so that you have a more productive week during the actual week. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Now to clean up the big old mess.